6:43 in the morning. I was on my way to the gym, and guess what? Check engine light back on. I don't know if it's back on or from the last time it had came on a long time ago, but yeah, it's definitely on. So we had 102,000 miles, 471,000 miles. So yep, here we go. Let me go ahead and unplug this. There we go. Just look. Yeah. Watch this step.
Turn the ignition for me.
Oh, okay. Good. How long it usually take? It's just collecting. All right.
And then we're taking this out and get the code.
Oh, you gotta take this out. All right. Yeah.
So it's pulling up the catalytic converter.
Okay.
This is the codes for here that are throwing your check engine light.
Okay.
But you also got something that's coming on with your interlock brakes.
Oh, really? Okay.
And the part is saying that you should replace is the catalytic converter.
That's all right. Okay. $64? Okay, that ain't oh.
This on that.
I was about to say, that's it. Okay, I came out easy. Damn.
That's like $6. This is still.
Dang, okay.
So this is just a single side right here for the left.
Yeah.
That one's 471, but then the right side is 783.
Dang. I wonder I need both for you. It don't tell you?
So it says bank one, and normally bank one is on the left side.
Yeah, the most expensive one. Or
well, actually, no, that's cheaper. So the right side is
okay.
Passenger side one. I'm sorry.
Okay. No, you good. On the left side, I see what you're saying.
But yeah, it can get expensive.
Okay, cool.
So definitely you want to take it to a shop and let them.
So, came back that it is the catalytic converter. So the code is throwing is P0430. Indicates that bank 2 catalyst system efficiency was below threshold to predetermined period of time. And they also have an ABS code, which could be anything, probably from the lift kit or something like that. Anyway, I'm not worried about that one too much at all. But yeah, P0430. So that's what we're looking at, guys. He did price the part. There's two banks. There's a left bank and a right bank. I think mine is bank 2, which he said was the passenger side. It was a cheaper one. I think the part was like $470. The driver's side or the other, whatever other side was like $783. Thankfully, it was nothing serious, bro. Something simple like a catalytic converter. I really was worried it was like something with the actual motor, you know what I'm saying? You know, it happens. A lot of y'all like, oh man, y'all be thinking the worst. Why y'all be thinking the worst, bro? Y'all be like, oh, it's trying to trade it in a gasser. 3.5, that's why you don't get an EcoBoost. It's like, bro, chill. It's 100,000 miles, bro. That's what happened when you own something for a long time. You're gonna start having issues, bro. Did kind of notice, like, when I was driving, like, my exhaust was sounding a little funny, kind of like a exhaust leak. It just sounded different. We gonna get that inspected, get it dropped out to a shop. I don't know when I'm gonna do that, because this is my daily drive. I need my truck, so I can't go without it too long. But yeah, I'll see y'all next clip.
One eternity later.
All right, good morning, guys. So it has now been probably about a month or so since y'all saw that last clip. I finally got some time to take Red in to get some service done here with the check engine light. Regarding the check engine light, as y'all can see now, though, the check engine light is not on. So just to give y'all an update, over the last month or so, that's what's been happening. It will come on and then it'll go off. And I found that when it rains is usually when it comes on. I did some research online about the error code I got, the catalytic converter bank 2 threshold, and a lot of people say, even though the reader, the reader from AutoZone was saying that's the catalytic converter, that code, the P0 whatever it was, can be a lot of different things, like a lot of different things. And one thing they said usually it is the O2 sensors or exhaust leak. I do have an aftermarket exhaust, which I probably want to take it in and make sure I don't cut. It does sound a little funny, I'm not gonna lie to you, but I could just be tripping. But we're gonna start with the O2 sensor. A lot of people say the O2 sensors are bad, and one guy said when it rains, he noticed his check engine light come on, as soon as it drops, it goes away. And that's exactly what happened with mine. So actually today I'm gonna take it to Elite Performance Automotive, who has done a lot of work on my truck here lately. So we're gonna do both O2 sensors on bank 2, which is the driver's side, I believe. And we're gonna replace the front and the rear. As well, since we're there, I'm gonna do a new, is it serpentine belt and the AC belt on my truck, because I'm over 100,000 miles. I've never had my belts replaced. Also, I'm gonna be doing my water pump, because I have never had my water pump replaced on this truck either since I've owned it. Yeah, I'm just doing some general maintenance stuff right now with the truck. Like I said in my last video, I really want the truck just to be reliable and run. So, you know, those are things I can think of right now, top of my head, that I probably should be doing. I already have done the transmission flush, I already done spark plugs, I already done the transfer case flush, I already done the rear differential flush. I've done all that stuff kind of like at like 93,000 miles, I believe I did that. So I'm a little ahead on some of those things. We get a lot of comments like, dude, do you do any of your own work on your truck? No, I do not. I really don't. I know myself. I'm seeing a lot of these F150s. Look at this. That's another one. I like some 20 by 10. They look good. I'm curious how big my truck looks rolling down the road, because that truck looked freaking huge. I like some 20 by 10s, I'm sure. And something else that happened, guys, my mirror right here, my driver's side mirror, I was parked at my buddy's house out front. Somebody came by and hit my freaking mirror and broke it, bro. I looked outside his house. I saw a mirror on the ground, but I wasn't sure. I'm like, oh, that's weird. It's a mirror on the ground. I didn't know it was mine. Like, there's no way it's my mirror. I got ready to leave, and my freaking mirror was missing. Over here was missing. The mirror that I saw on the ground was mine. So I went and finally picked it up, and it looks like, from what I can tell, somebody freaking just hit my truck, because there's also a scratch on the front hood, the front panel of the truck as well. Something had to be tall, like a UPS truck or something, because my truck sits pretty tall. So for damage to be up that high and knock my mirror off, had to be like a UPS or Amazon truck or something like that, guys. I'm assuming. We checked this camera, of course, and couldn't find anything, because where I had parked was outside the frame of the camera. We didn't go into neighbors and all that. But anyway, guys, so I actually was able to find that part, which is what you're seeing now. It's already fixed. But that was $452 just for the glass, bro. Not the whole housing. Just the glass. They only hit the glass and knocked the glass off and cracked that. And I'll show some pictures in there. But $452 just for the glass. I drive like 35 minutes just to get it. Man, it was crazy. It's so hard driving this truck without this freaking mirrors, dude. I didn't realize it. Like, I'm over here, I adjusted this mirror to where it was like basically my second mirror. I'm shoulder checking. Thank God I rode. You should shoulder check anyway. But thank God I kind of used to that being on motorcycles, just kind of shoulder checking and knowing how to drive without having mirrors, bro, because it was a little nerve-wracking, especially here in Dallas, bro. Traffic is just stupid. It was on a Saturday, like rush hour, but we got to take care of, yeah. But so don't hopefully nobody breaks one of y'all mirrors, because it's $452 to freaking fix it, bro, which is insane if you ask me, for a glass freaking mirror. But it is what it is. What is that, bro? I'm gonna try to show y'all this. Hopefully everybody okay. I'm not sure if this is an accident or construction. Insurance rates in Dallas, bro, have like skyrocketed, bro. Like, I have coworkers who told me like their deductible, like their premium increased by like $1,000 just for the next 6 policy periods, or like it was like $1,500, something stupid. This person has no accidents. The car is newer, paid for, but no accidents, no records or any accidents. And right now in Dallas, insurance rates and your housing rates and insurance, everything is just skyrocketing, because one, the traffic here in Dallas is just so bad now. There's so many people here. The roads barely can hold the population. People coming here don't really know the roads, don't know how to drive. Accidents all the time. The hailstorms we get here in Dallas, bro, are crazy, so do a lot of damage. So insurance rates are just like skyrocketing on homes and cars, bro. You move to Dallas, bro, just keep that in mind. Like, it is a great place to live, or Texas, good place to live, great state. But man, right now, just with everything going on, bro, like, it's getting pretty crazy. Oh, it was a pretty bad wreck, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Dang, they got the road shut down, so hopefully it wasn't a fatality. Like, yeah, they got this whole road like shut down. They got people exiting off the freaking on-ramp. Dang, that SUV is freaking, sheesh, bro. Damn, oh my God. Sheesh. Usually when they got the road shut down like that, bro, that usually indicates a fatality. I mean, oh my God, that black Suburban was freaking, Jesus Christ, what did they hit? Like, yeah, they got everybody exiting right here. I pray everybody okay with that, because that looks serious. What that does here in Dallas, look at the traffic now. Like, when they shut down one highway, because there's so many people coming in from up north here, is more urban, suburban, like where your homes and stuff like that. So a lot of people are always coming into the city to go to work. Like, this was most people work. So when you get into an accident, or when an accident happens, literally the whole highway like shuts down. You're at gridlock. Like, you're not going nowhere for at least an hour plus or more, bro. So yeah, I've been driving now for about a mile, maybe 2, and this is still the traffic from the accident, bro. Like, this is ridiculous. Like, that is like the worst side for that to happen in the morning, because everybody's going into the city to go to work. Like, so they're gonna be, this traffic's gonna clear. It'll take about a good hour and a half to clear up before it finally gets back to normal. Probably longer, bro. but it's just crazy. Like, this is, man, bro, my goodness, it's all the way up to the on-ramp coming down, if y'all can see that. So yeah, that's gonna be a while, bro.
346 minutes later.
All right, here we go. Got the truck back, as y'all can see. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now your business tent. You feel me? All right, guys. So I know this video probably won't be much because we are already back in the truck. Again, shout out to my guys at Elite Performance Automotive right there, guys, up here in McKinney, Texas. They do great work, super knowledgeable. I appreciate that. They don't want to try to sell you anything like that. What Robbie and them recommended was, he was like, bro, the fact that the light keep going on and off, like the truck is kind of fixing itself. Basically, it could mean something's starting to go bad, whatever case may be. He's like, honestly, I would just ride it until that light stays on consistently. Because honestly, the light stays on for like a day and it'll go off. 2, he said, if you do decide to replace it, just get some high flow cats. He's like, the job is gonna be expensive regardless. If you're gonna do it, just get some performance out of it instead of just going OEM. So do like high flow cats, and that way, you know, paying the money, you can at least get some performance out the truck, is what he was saying. What we did today, we just did new belts and we did new water pump. Nothing too exciting, you know, which is good. No news is good news, but we'll just monitor this check engine light and see what goes on. Comment below, should I upgrade to some high flow cats? If I do have to end up replacing the cats, should I just go ahead and do it? He was saying, you know, with the high flow cats too, they come as a pair and not one. So instead of me just replacing one cat that's bad and the other one goes bad, now he like just do both. I would recommend it with the high flow. So it just makes sense to do that, to be honest with you. So it's your boy Q. Thank y'all for watching this video, but I'll catch y'all next, baby. Peace.